Hey everyone, welcome to Fan Flag Showcase 7. This is the prompt video where we tell you the rules of the flag design. For this showcase, we want you to create a flag for London. Here is the current flag of the City of London. It's clearly very heavily based on the flag of England with St. George's Cross, and in the upper hoist, it bears a depiction of a sword. The sword is believed to represent the sword that beheaded St. Paul, who was the patron saint of the city. Now we have to point out that the City of London refers to a very specific part of London, shown here in red. It covers an area of about 1 square mile in the heart of London, which was where the city was originally founded. As you can see here on the map, the Greater London area today covers an area much larger than the City of London, and today's modern sprawling capital of the UK doesn't have a flag. So for this showcase, we want you to create a flag for the Greater London area. We think a new modern flag for London would be a good idea, and it could be used along with the City of London flag. To enter, send your flag image file to flagthisvideos@gmail.com. In the subject line, please use Showcase 7. As well as the flag image file, please include your name or nickname. If you don't want your real name used, then use a nickname. Please also include the symbolism of your London flag. The closing date for entries is August 10th, 2022. In the next video, we will show you all the qualified entrants, and this video will have a link where you guys will rank each of the flags. In the video after that, we will announce the results and review the winning flag. Here are some quick rules. The flag image must be digital. We will not accept hand-drawn images. Also, please don't include anything controversial or offensive, as those will not be accepted. Also, check out the YouTube contest policies and guidelines in the description of this video. So that's everything you need to know. If you haven't watched it already, go check out our introduction video to this new series where you can find some extra information about the series. The link is in the description. Good luck to everyone and have fun creating your flag. See you guys next time.